Yes, today's topic is product mix. Yes, from where it's coming, we already learned the elements of marketing mix, which are the four P's. What are they again? Product, price, place, and promotion, isn't it? So we already learned the different types of products, industrial products or industrial goods and consumer goods, etc. And again it's divided into many types, depends on the usage, etc. So now we have what is product mix, and in that we have to learn packaging, labeling, branding, etc. Isn't it? Yes. So what is product mix? All of you open your notebook and write the answer. Product mix refers to the total number of products and items that a business firm offers. The items that a business firm offers to the market. Product mix refers the total number of products and items that a business firm offers to the market. A firm enters the market with a single product. Afterwards, it expands or diversifies. It increases its product line or offers more varieties of product in the market. It involves planning, developing, and producing the right type of products and services to be marketed by the organization. It includes branding, packaging, trademarking, labeling, etc. Trademarking, labeling, etc. Please note it down. A firm enters a market with a single product. As it expands or diversifies, it increases its product line or offers more varieties of product in the market. It involves planning, developing, and producing the right type of products and services to be marketed by the organization. It includes branding, packaging, trademarking, and labeling, etc. Example, Maruti Udyog started its business with the Maruti 800. Afterwards, it has got a Sen Wagon R, Esteem, Swift, etc. Similarly, Videocon entered the market with the television but has now introduced products like washing machines, AC, audio systems, DVD players, etc. So, under the product mix, we are getting the words like branding, packaging, trademarking, labeling, etc. So, these are the other headings: branding, packaging, trademarking, labeling, etc. We are going to learn little bit detailed way. What is branding? Next topic under the product mix is what is branding? Branding is a process of giving a name or a sign or a symbol, etc. to a product in order to identify it. What for? Identify it and distinguish it from the competitors' products. Identify and distinguish it from the competitors' products. So repeat, what is branding? Branding is a process of giving a name or a sign or a symbol, etc. to a product in order to identify and distinguish it from the competitors' products. Yes. What is a brand? A brand refers to a name or a symbol. Branding is a process, a verb. Brand refers to a name, symbol or term or sign or their combination, etc. for a product. It can be a name, it can be a symbol, it can be a term. Yes, it's used to identify the product and distinguish it from the competitors' products. Example, Videocon, BPL. Example, Videocon, BPL TV. These are all Indian products, BPL TV, Bata, Lux, etc. are all popular brands. So brand names. Are you getting brands? Brand. Then next point we have brand name. What is it? Brand name. Put the question mark. Brand name refers to the part of the brand which can be easily spoken. For example, Asian Paints. Brand name refers to the part of the brand which can be easily spoken. Asian Paints, very famous Lay's chips, Maggie noodles, it's a brand name. Maggie, that is familiar to you. Yes. What is a brand mark? Brand mark refers to the part of the brand which is not in words but instead recognized visually. For example, Devil of Onida, brand mark. Onida TV is a devil. Handshake of Nokia cell phones. So brand mark, Devil of Onida. It's a part of the brand which is not expressed in words. We can understand marking, not expressed in words. Brand mark. So brand, brand name, brand mark. Then one more, that is trademark. What's the speciality of that? Distinguish between brand mark and trademark. Trademark. When a brand or a part of brand is given legal protection. It's all connected. It's legal. By law, they have taken this. We have seen Toyota's trademark, some jewelers' trademarks. Is given legal protection comes, it's called trademark. Trademark prohibits the use of brand or brand name by any other firm. For example, Parle-G. It's in Bombay, isn't it? Parle-G, cap letters, Parle-G. It's the registered trademark of Parle Biscuits Private Limited, registered trademark. So it cannot be used by other biscuit manufacturers. Cannot be used by other biscuit manufacturers. Yes. So we have seen what is brand, brand name, brand mark, trademark. Then now we have brand name strategies. That is individual branding, blanket family branding, and separate family brand names, and company name combined with the individual name. Like that, brand name strategies, we have brand name strategies. We can make 4 columns divided into 4. Which are they? One is individual branding. Please note it down, individual branding. Second is blanket family branding. Third is a separate family brand name. Separate family brand name. Fourthly, company name combined with the individual brand name. Individual name. Company name combined with individual name. Yes. Under individual branding, different brand names are used for different products offered by a single company in the market. This helps in creating a distinct image for every product. The main limitation of this strategy is that it's very costly. Individual brand name going on, it's a very costly. Only few firms follow this strategy. For example, different brand names to its products like Robin, Lysol, Colin, etc. Blanket family branding refers the use of same brand name for all the products. Use of same brand name for all the products of that company. Example, Samsung, BPL, etc. This strategy is very simple and economical. The individual branding is costly. Yes, a new product is easily recognized in the market because it enters with a established name. With an established name. Thus, huge amounts are not required to be spent to build brand recognition. For example, when Sony entered the mobile market, it got instant recognition because of already established name in the market. That's a very good example for blanket family name. Blanket family brand name. Branding. Okay. So when Sony entered the mobile market, it got instant recognition because of already established name in the market. Then we have separate family brand name. Some companies classify the product produced by them in different families and give separate brand name to each family. Separate brand name is given by certain companies. Separate brand name given. That's a heading, its word meaning itself. Then what is the fourth one? Company name plus individual name. Company name with the individual name. What is it? Advantages of corporate branding. Corporate branding means company and individual branding are joined together. For example, very simple. Tata follows this strategy. Tata. Such as Tata Salt. Simple salt, Tata Salt. Tata Indicom, Tata Safari, Tata TA and Tata Indica. Like that, Britannica. Used by Britannia companies such as Britannia Mary, Britannia Bread, Britannia 50/50, etc. These are all examples with the company name with the individual name. Okay. Yes. Please make these answers in 4 columns, then easy to get the answer faster. Then in connection with that, we are getting another question. What are the advantages or the goodness or the merits of branding? Advantages of branding to the marketers. Tell me. It enables marking product differentiation to identify products how it is differentiated, especially in monopolistic competition that we learnt in standard 11 economics. Secondly, it helps in advertising and display programs, helps in advertisement and display of programs. It's easy. And thirdly, a very good advantage, that is differential pricing. Tell me. Differential pricing. Fourthly, we have ease in introduction of, easy to introduce the new product. Ease in the introduction of new product. These are the advantages of branding to the marketers. Ease in the introduction of new product. So just recap. Advantages of branding to the marketers. Ease in introduction of new product. Differential pricing is possible. Helps in advertising and display. And product differentiation. And what are the advantages of branding? Advantages of branding to customers. Helps in product identification. Product identification. Branding ensures identification of a product. Product identification. So when a customer is satisfied with a particular brand of a product, he repeatedly purchases it. Secondly, it ensures quality. Branded product assure good quality to the customers, ensures quality. And it's a status symbol also, status symbol. So in this brand name, what are the, one more topic is there, heading is what are the characteristics of a good brand name? Yes, what are the characteristics of a good brand name? Please underline. First of all, it must be short and simple. Brand name selected should be short, simple, easy to pronounce, recognize and remember. Example, Lux, Pond's, LG, BPL, etc. Easy to pronounce, easy to recognize and remember. Secondly, indicates the qualities. That is, brand name should be selected in such a way that it indicates, if possible, qualities, benefits and functions of that product. Lux indicates luxury. That's what they mean. Lux indicates luxury. Thirdly, we can see it is unique. The brand name should be different or unique. Yes, for example, Baleno, Swift, etc. Maruti vehicles brand names. Fourthly, we have adaptable. Adaptable. The name selected should be adaptable to packaging, labeling, requirements and different languages, etc. Adaptable. And it is versatile. The brand name is required to be versatile so that new products can be easily accommodated. For example, Britannia, Maggi, etc. Versatile. Yes, versatile, genius. Sixthly, capable. Yes, the brand name should be capable of being registered and of staying in the market for a long period of time. Yes, these all qualities also, good characteristics also of a good brand name process. It should be short and simple, easy to remember, that I like. Easy to remember, pronounce and recognize. Indicates the qualities. Lux for luxury. Unique. Yes. Adaptable, versatile, capable, etc. So, under the product mix, we are getting the topic, different small headings, brand name, brand, characters of good brand, brand mark, trademark, etc. Please note down these value points in the notebook with the question and answer. Okay. By joining all these points, we get the answer, and the questions are also given as separate topics. It comes under product mix. Okay. Take care. Thank you.